Name a block, will pull up and we'll spread. You can't keep up with the smoke, there's no debate.
Hey guys, ZaidProductions here, and in this video I'm taking a look at the Umarex T4E TM4 Carbine. This is a .43 caliber training rifle paintball gun marker. This is $500 on Amazon, and the link is down in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing. This gun comes with a pretty hefty price tag, so let's see if it's actually worth it. It doesn't come in a box. It has this hard plastic case, which is really nice. This is a real gun case. On top there's a sticker, 300 at 15 FPS velocity. You can use either rubber balls, paintballs, or powder balls. Semi-auto action, and it uses a 12-gram CO2 cartridge. On the left we have some warnings not to brandish this gun, and it's not a toy. You can get seriously hurt with this. Inside there's the rifle itself, a magazine, and the bolt carrier assembly, which you do have to assemble yourself, so it's kind of like a DIY project. It's got these 4 buckles in the front. And it has really nice foam padding all around. As you can see, some parts of it have already been compressed. Here's the magazine and bolt carrier. It's got a matte finish to it, it's plastic. Really heavy too. And here's the case, hard plastic as well. On the bottom is how you put in CO2. There's a little catch at the bottom. You gotta put it down and to the right. Like that. Moving on to the bolt carrier. Here it is. It's just a solid metal piece. I'm not going to be assembling it in this video, but there's an instruction booklet that comes with the gun teaching you how to do it. Moving on to the instruction booklet and manuals. This one is your bolt carrier assembly. As I mentioned before, here's the instruction booklet. And this is nice, it just has pictured instructions. Seems pretty easy. Here's the registration for warranty. And here's the owner's manual. Just goes over some of the features and specs. Same thing on the back, 14 round mag. It goes over description, operation, care, and safety instructions. This has a 4-pound trigger pull, 14.5-inch barrel. Weighs 6 pounds empty, 14 round mag as I mentioned, and it's 8.75 inches tall. 30 to 34 inches long, depending on if the stock is extended or not. And moving on to the gun itself, here it is wrapped in plastic. It's got blue accents to it. I'm pretty sure there's a all black version too, but I couldn't find that on Amazon. And this is just based off of an M4 Carbine or Carbine, however you want to say it. First impressions, it's really nice. It's heavy. It's really heavy actually. Got a muzzle brake at the end. Here's your barrel. Pretty nice. Made out of metal. All metal build. High quality. The stock is plastic. Really good. Really heavy. Here's the safety. Semi-auto and safe. There's some residue of gun oil on there too. Here's the magazine, let's put it in. And overall the gun looks very nice. The bottom of the pistol hand grip is hollow. Here's the other side. That's your forward assist. But of course in the paintball gun it doesn't have any functional operation. Here's your hand grip, got holes on the bottom. And this is just in case you want to use a rope, I guess. I'm not really sure what the actual word for it is, but a lanyard rope just to wear the gun around your body. And you press that button to extend the stock and put it back in. On the back it has a rubber padding to it. Here's aiming down the sights. It's got your classic M4A1 sights, which look pretty good, honestly. And it does not have an ambidextrous safety. When you pull back the charging handle, the dust cover comes off. And that's the mag release right there. And that was my review of the TM4 Carbine by Umarex T4E. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think this is a pretty fantastic gun, but the $500 price tag is pretty hefty, and I just wait to get a real firearm. But this is pretty cool nonetheless. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.